Honor has officially confirmed the launch date for its next foldable phone, Magic V5 foldable launch event for July 2nd in China. Honor has now shared our first official look at the device in its folded state. It looks impossibly thin, and we can also notice a big camera island. The above teasers showcase the Magic V5's Golden Edition. The device appears to be equipped with a large, round camera module on the back. Honor Magic V5's new poster reveals rear camera design. It reveals that the device measures 8.8 mm in the folded state. Honor launched the Magic V3 with a minor battery increase over its predecessor, but its successor will go even further. Honor Magic V5, Magic V4 expected to be skipped, will have a 6000 mAh cell, according to listings on MIIT and 3C. The foldable battery will have two cells, one of 2070 mAh capacity and the other 3880 mAh. The Honor Magic V5 will allegedly measure 8.x mm when closed. The Honor Magic V5 will feature a 6.45-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED cover display and an 8-inch 2K 120Hz inner foldable screen. The device will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Its rear camera setup may include a 50-megapixel camera with OIS support, an ultra-wide lens, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, an IPX8 water resistance, and a side-facing fingerprint scanner. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.